Chrissy. I haven't been on here in a while, so I haven't made any new videos. Been stuck at home with my husband thanks to COVID-19. I'm going to put a little recipe down below. I made some hand sanitizer because you can't find it anywhere, let alone toilet paper and paper towels. So I'm going to attempt to conquer my desk and get that all cleaned up because it is a horrible mess. Hubby's not feeling well. The flu, not COVID. So he's sleeping, so I figured I can do a little quick video. Just checking in. Hope everybody's healthy and safe and not spreading the germs. Like I said, because my daughter's friend, or best friend, showed symptoms and I had to get tested for it, my job, because I'm in the healthcare field, will not let me go back to work until we find out what her results are. So I'm stuck here, taking my temperature every day and texting it to my boss. Could be worse. So blessings to everybody out there, and when I'm done doing the video, I'll post the video of my really horrible desk. Alright, love you. Please like and subscribe. Bye.